Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Custom Writings channel. Today, we're tackling a common student struggle: how to ethically and effectively lengthen your essays. We have collected the best advice from our expert writers and are ready to share the most working strategies with you. The first strategy on how to make your paper longer is about how to extend existing ideas and improve them. 1. Strengthen your claims. Deepen your analysis. Don't just state facts. Explain their significance and how they connect to your main points. Ask how and why questions. Read through each sentence and see if there is more to say about any statements or claims you are making. A good observation or idea is rarely explained in one sentence. Asking these questions, even when you think you've explained yourself, will help you be detailed, descriptive, and more analytical. Tip: give yourself a goal of adding 2 or 3 sentences to each existing paragraph. You'll be surprised at what you discover to say. Provide diverse perspectives. Briefly acknowledge opposing viewpoints and explain why your argument holds more weight. Offer real-world examples. Illustrate your ideas with relevant case studies, historical events, personal story. Here is an example of how to elaborate your idea or argument. This deeper analysis expands on Scott's experience by providing specific examples. Referencing the Tom Robinson trial demonstrates the concrete impact of racism Scott faces. Analyzing the impact of characters. Explaining how Atticus and Miss Maudie shape Scout's development goes beyond simply mentioning their presence. Exploring character motivation. Discussing Scout's reasons for fighting injustice and carving her own path adds depth to her character. 2. Enhance your evidence. Incorporate quotes and citations. Use credible sources to support your claims and add academic credibility. Use visuals strategically. Integrate charts, graphs, images to effectively represent complex data or concepts. Paraphrase instead of quoting. Don't just mention a source. Explain its key points and how they contribute to your argument. It's one of the simplest ways on how to make sentences longer for an essay or research paper. Summarize key points from sources in your own words, demonstrating your understanding. Here is an example. As you can see, the quote consists of approximately 9 words, while a paraphrase consists of 55 words. Elaborating on specific quotes and sharing your own reflections and understanding will not only enrich your essay, but also add more words to reach the desired word count. 3. Improve your writing style. Play with sentence structure. Combine short and long sentences to create a more engaging rhythm. Use strong vocabulary. Employ precise and nuanced language to convey your ideas clearly and effectively. For example, how to make the word because longer in an essay.
Use transition words. Utilize words like furthermore, however, and in contrast to smoothly connect your thoughts. Take a screenshot of the following phrases you can use in your writing.
And here is an example of how you can incorporate transition words to the sentence and make it look more logical, complete, and longer. Example of how to incorporate transition words into your sentences. And here is an example of how you can incorporate transition words to the sentence and make it look more logical. That's all. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want more information, follow the link below this video and explore Custom Writings blog or ask our experts for help if you need help with your essays.